Hey friends, in this video we're going to talk about social studies, specifically map skills using a map key. So we've talked about maps in social studies before, and now we're going to learn how to use a map key and make our own map, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is listen. So this says a map key tells you what the symbols on a map mean. Symbols stand for real things. So this is our map key, so I'm going to go ahead and circle it. This is our map key, our key. Now, these are symbols. You see the symbols? This one says school, bike rack, playground, and parking lot. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to connect the key, the symbols on the key, to the actual objects on the map. So this is our map, okay? And this is our key. We look at these pictures and the words to tell what these things are on the map, okay? So we're going to draw a line from the word school, the symbol of the school, to the school on the map. So draw a line from the symbol to the object on the map. Okay, here we have a bike rack. Do you see the bike rack on the map? There it is right there. Let's draw a line from the symbol to the object on the map. Okay, here it says playground. Do you see a playground on the map? There it is right there. Let's draw a line from the symbol playground to the object on the map, okay? And last, we have parking lot, okay? Do you see a parking lot on the map? Where is it? There it is, right there. Draw a line from the symbol to the object on the map, okay? So now we know how to use a map key. A map key has symbols. These symbols tell us what the objects mean. So if I see this symbol right here, and I see it over here on the map, I know it's going to be a school. Okay, same for the other symbols. Let's go to the other page. So turn your page over. And let's do this one. Now we're going to make our own map. Here we have our key for us, okay? So on our key we have a desk, a chair, a bookcase, a computer, and a flag. It says, the instructions say, name the symbols in the key. Make a map of your classroom. Draw the symbols on the map. Tell about your map. Okay? So I'll read it one more time. Name the symbols in the key. Make a map of your classroom. Draw the symbols on the map. Tell about your map. So let's name the symbols. This one says desk. Okay? Can you say desk? Here we have chair. Touch it and say chair. Here we have bookcase. Touch the bookcase and say bookcase. Here we have a computer. Touch the computer, say computer. Here we have a flag. Touch the flag and say flag. Okay. Now we're going to make our own map. Okay. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, it doesn't, like I say in class, but I want you to do your best. Okay. So let's start off with desk. Where am I going to put the desk? In our classroom, it's on the left, on the back, right? So that's my desk, the teacher's desk. So I'm going to draw a rectangle for the teacher's desk. Okay. And maybe I see I'll put a little cup on there for my pencils. Okay, maybe a book. Okay. Oh, and the computer. Don't forget the computer. We could say this is my keyboard, and that's the computer. Okay, and we need a chair. I'm gonna draw my chair. Okay, looks kind of like an H, right? Next, we can draw a bookcase. I know I have some bookcases in my classroom over here. You know where I keep all my books. And there's another one over here in our classroom. Okay. So we drew the computer and the desk and a chair, a flag. I need a flag in my classroom, don't I? But we can draw one over here. Okay. And if you want to, you can continue to draw more things on your map, okay? Like, what's something else we could put in the key? We could put a rug, right? We have a rug, a big rug in my classroom. And that rug has lots of little squares, right? So what I want you to think about is what's something else you could put on the map? And what's something else you could put on the map key? So here's our key. So we're gonna put the rug on the key, right? Because we want, if someone were to look at our map, I would want them to know what this is, because they might look at it and think, well, what is that? I don't know what it is. So they can look at the map key, and it will tell them. Okay. So if I draw out over here, my key, I'll draw a smaller one, right? Okay. Draw some lines to make squares. Okay, this is a carpet or a rug. We'll put a rug. All right. Why don't you draw something else in our classroom, and you can put it on the key right here. Okay. So write your name on your paper, and you'll turn it in tomorrow. See you later, friends.